This is how to quickly show execution marks and labels on TradingView. Now, as you can see from the chart, I am long 10 Bitcoin. But where did I last execute? There's nothing here. You right click, go to settings, and you find yourself in the trading subsection. You scroll down and you see here execution marks and execution labels. Check both of them and click OK. Now you see the blue arrows is where I bought and the red arrows is where I sold. Let's lower time frame for more detail. And you can see now how many Bitcoin I bought and sold at what price. If I want to remove the quantity and price, but keep the arrows, I go back and I uncheck the execution labels. Press OK. Here we are. You just see the arrows now. Choose the setup which is better for you. This is how to enable execution marks and labels on TradingView.